Oh my goodness, help me, Lord. 2 dogs. Where I gotta go? If I get bit, we will not be happy. I'm gonna get this brick. There's gonna be some fighting motherfuckers. Forgive me. Listen to How Can I Be Happy on my way to work. Yes, sir. As you can see, it's raining. They say when you pay them for your services, you don't have to promote them.